so the Ranger has finished a load and it's making weird sounds in the drum. What the heck? But it's only to that side. And the other doesn't do it. What the heck? Okay. Leave in the comments what do you guys think.